Branded by Blackview. Okay, let's unbox this one. I am not familiar with Blackview, but let's check. It's because it's sale. Not? Huwag kayong magbuot. Ayan, Blackview siya. Hindi siya Blackberry, it's a Blackview. Blackview, Blackberry Chesky. Top 50 Wi-Fi. May ano kayo siya? May SIM card. I don't know if this one have a SIM card. Maybe no SIM card. Ano yan? May tempered siya, guys. There is a tempered inside. Okay. And then also, there is a free, wow, case inside. And then there is also, what's this? There is also a adapter. There is a booklet. And there is this one. Okay, anyways, let's check this one. So, tada! Peel off the mask. Taray, naka-mask yung ano. Ano ba to? Peel off the mask daw siya. But how can I peel off if there's any chariska? Oh, any Jerlyn! Actually, guys, if I want to buy anything, my gosh, my brain is not it's not basta lang. Hala, paano man yung maabrihan? Ayan. Anyways, hello. Let's check this Blackview. Powered by Android. Pwede siyang malagyan ng wala siyang SIM card, guys. Oh my gosh. This is the Hi there, English. It's okay.